Every time someone completes your Outgrow quiz, calculator, or assessment, that leads data should be working for you instantly. No manual exports, no copy pasting, no delays. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect Outgrow with Zapier and Webhooks so that the moment a lead converts, their data flows automatically to your CRM, email platform, or any custom application. All in the background, all in real time. Let's get it set up. Start inside your Outgrow dashboard and open the content piece you want to connect, whether that's a quiz, a calculator, or any other format. Click Configure, then select Integrations. This opens Outgrow's full integrations library. Locate Zapier and click on it. Before we jump into Zapier itself, you'll need your Outgrow API key. You'll find this directly within the Zapier integration section. Copy it and keep it handy for the next step. Now head over to Zapier and click Create, then select Zap. You can describe your workflow using plain language in the prompt field or build it manually. For this walkthrough, we'll go step by step. In the Trigger section, search for and select Outgrow as your trigger app. Next, choose your trigger event. You have two options. Lead, added to segment fires when a lead meets specific segmentation criteria. New lead fires each time a user submits a lead form. Select whichever fits your workflow, then connect your Outgrow account by pasting in the API key you copied earlier. Select your default region and click Yes, continue to Outgrow. Once connected, click Continue. In the Configure section, select the specific Outgrow content piece you want. This Zap to pull leads from, then click Continue again. Click Test Trigger. Zapier will fetch a recent lead from your content to confirm the connection is live and pulling data correctly. Now we set up the action. This is where things get powerful. Select the app you want to send your lead data to. Zapier connects with over 5,000 apps, including HubSpot, Salesforce, MailChimp, Google Sheets, Slack, and many more. Choose your action event, then connect your account and click Continue. Map the fields from Outgrow to the corresponding fields in your chosen app. Once your mapping is complete, click Test Action to confirm data is flowing correctly. If yes, then click Publish, then turn your Zap on. If you'd prefer to route lead data directly to a custom endpoint or your own application, Outgrow's native Webhook integration gives you complete control. Back in the Outgrow Integrations panel, select the Webhook option. Enter your Webhook URL. This is the endpoint where Outgrow will send an HTTP post request each time a lead is submitted. If you need to separate values in the payload, use the delimiter option. Under Events to Send, select your preferred API version and toggle on the event types you want to capture. If your endpoint requires authentication, enable the authentication toggle and select your method, Basic Authentication or OAuth 2.0. Then enter your credentials. Once everything is configured, click Send Test, JSON, and Enable. Outgrow will push a sample payload to your endpoint so you can verify the data is arriving correctly before going live. Confirm the payload looks right on your end, then hit Go Live. You can share your content via direct link or embed it directly on your website. Outgrow handles the rest, and that's it. Your Outgrow integrations with both Zapier and Webhooks are fully configured and running. Ready to automate your leads? Click the link in the description to try Outgrow free. Start your free Outgrow trial today. See you in the next one.